Hello friends, welcome to your channel Food and Drink. Today we are making veg Russian salad. So before we proceed further, I would like to share few basic information about this Russian salad. So what actually this salad is? Friends, this salad is a simple recipe with vegetables and fruits and lots of mayonnaise, good dressing. So before we start, let us take a look on our ingredients. So here I am using, friends, in fruits pineapple, apple. You can use even kiwi also. And if I talk about vegetables, I am using here red yellow bell pepper, capsicum, boiled corn, boiled beans, cabbage, boiled carrot, cucumber and boiled potatoes. And if I talk about spices, we don't require much spices in this. We will use only salt, black pepper powder and Mexican herbs. I'm using here peri peri. This is the Mexican seasoning and Italian seasoning. This is the optional, friends. If you want to add in your salad, you can. Otherwise, you can skip also. And I'm using here veggie mayonnaise. So these are the ingredients what we required in our salad. Only few things we have to keep in our mind before we start this recipe. First of all, we have to boil our veggies, corn, green beans, carrot, potatoes. This I have already boiled, friends, and I have kept this all vegetables in refrigerator approx 3 to 4 hours, and will also cool all the fruits in a similar way. Even you can add boiled eggs also, but I am making veg Russian salad, so we will not add this. We will skip this. So first of all, what we will do, I will take a big bowl and will add mayonnaise in this. So I am taking approx 1 bowl mayonnaise. Now in this we will add salt as per taste. I'm using here Italian herbs and using Mexican herbs. These are the optional, friends, and little bit I'm using peri peri also. So we will whisk this properly. Now first of all, I will add apple. I'm adding pineapple and we will mix it properly. Friends, we'll add now boiled potatoes. If you can see, I have already added these potatoes in a chilled water. The reason behind this is our potatoes should not turn black. Now we'll add cabbage, cucumber, carrot, green beans, and colorful bell peppers. So I have added all the veggies which I have boiled and fruits. Now we'll mix it properly. And now I will add before that black pepper powder. I have used approx 1 tablespoon. And now we'll mix it properly. To eat egg also, you can add boiled egg also, but I am making vegetarian Russian salad, so I am not adding boiled egg in this. So friends, we have mixed it all properly and our salad is ready to serve. You can serve this Russian salad with garlic bread or your regular meal, or even you can have it anytime. So enjoy this recipe with your friends and family. Do like the video, share to your friends and family. Do subscribe this channel to enjoy such mouth-watering recipes, and thank you for watching this Russian salad recipe.